We only got 3 inches so far. Just little light flurries is what it is right now. I'll transfer that to centimeters later. Anyway, this is pretty snow here. This is the kind of snow I like. It's wet, fluffy. It's pretty. It's a good thing when we get any more snow, you won't be able to see the puppies. They'll be buried. Then we have to tunnel under. It's pretty snow here. Oh, almost fell. I should have worn my cleats. Next time I will. See those trees out there? Ain't that pretty? And these trees here. This is the kind of snow I love.